welcome to the third part of crochet elephant tutorial. And in this last part, I'm going to show you how to make legs of elephant, and they are movable. If you like my tutorial, please put a thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe my channel yet, subscribe and hit the bell as well, because you will never miss any my video. So let's get started. Okay, I have here back leg and front leg. They are similar, but there is little difference between them, and I will tell you and I will show you how to make them step by step. And first part and second part of tutorial you can find in description of this video or in information box. Okay, I'm going to use 5mm crochet hook because I used this size of crochet hook before in first and second part. So use the same size of crochet hook as before. And now I'm going to make the front leg. Start with magic ring, then chain one, because we are going to make single crochets into the magic ring. And this chain you have to count as single crochet. And to make 5 single crochets into the magic ring. So in total you'll get 6 single crochets. Okay, tighten it, and now we have to join the round with a slip stitch. So count it from the right side. You have to insert your hook into the 5th stitch. It's first stitch count it from the left side. And make a slip stitch. Now we are going to work in a round. So use stitch marker, and I'm going to make first single crochet in the same stitch as I made a slip stitch, and make 1 single crochet and 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. So now I have increased, and you have to increase every stitch all the way around. So make 2 single crochets in every stitch around. Okay, I used this starting tail as a stitch marker, and now we are going to increase every stitch again. So make 2 single crochets in every stitch all the way around. In next round, we are going to use just 1 loop, and it's back loop. So we will not use stitches like before. This is stitch, and we are going to use just this back loop, just in this round. So now make 1 single crochet in each this back loop all the way around. Okay, from this round we are going to use again stitches and make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and make 3 rounds of single crochets in total. So it will be 3 rounds without chains, without increase, without decrease. In next round, we are going to decrease. So I'm going to decrease on the beginning, and you can see I'm using just front loop because it's invisible decrease, and then make one single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and you will repeat it again. And in this round, it means you have to decrease every 5th stitch around. Now it's easy. You will make just one single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So it's round without decrease. In next round, we are going to decrease again. So I'm going to decrease on the beginning of the round, and then I will make one single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So in this round, you have to decrease every 4th stitch. So decrease every 4th stitch all the way around. And then meet me back again. You can pause the video. Okay, in next round we are going to make again just one single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So this is round without decrease, without increase. In next round we are going to increase. So now make one single crochet in next 4 stitches. So in the first 4 stitches, make one single crochet, and then we will increase. So make 2 single crochets in next stitch. This is 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now increase again, so make 2 single crochets. Now 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. This is 3rd increase. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. This is 4th decrease. And then make just 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of the round. I'm going to count it. Just make sure if it's 4th decrease. I'm sorry, 4th increase. And now you can make 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of this round. Okay, now it's getting right shape. And this is last round. So it's 12 rounds, exactly the same for both legs, for front and from back leg. And in next round will be a little difference between front and back leg. Okay, for the front leg, you will make 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches, and front back leg you will make 1 single crochet in the first 3 stitches. Now we are going to increase again, so make 2 single crochets and then 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets again. So for the front leg you will repeat exactly the same pattern as in previous round. So you have to increase 4 times, and then you will make just 1 single crochet to the end of the round. And for the back leg you will increase 5 times, and for the back leg you will need 0.5 bigger size of crochet hook. Okay, now we are going to make just one single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and for the front leg you will make 5 rounds in total, so 5 rounds of single crochets, and for the back leg you will make 7 rounds of single crochets. Okay, in the next round we have to decrease, so decrease on the beginning of the round and then make 2 single crochets. Then you will decrease again. So I have decreased now, and now make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches and decrease again. So in this round you have to decrease every 3rd stitch all the way around, and you will decrease 6 times for the front leg and 7 times for the back leg. Okay, I have used the hollow fiber, so you can stuff the leg already now. And in next round, we are going to decrease again. And it will be exactly the same for both legs, for front and back leg. So now we are going to decrease on the beginning again, and then make just 1 single crochet in next stitch and decrease again. So in this round decrease every 2nd stitch all the way around, and in next round you will decrease every stitch, but I always leave about 6 or 8 stitches, and I will finish it with yarn needle because it will look nicer. Okay, then I will finish it with yarn needle, and then I will sew it to the body, and I showed it already in other video, so I will put the link in description of this video or information card. So thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.